Dear students, a wonderful good morning to you all. I know that all of you are eagerly waiting to learn grammar. So far, we have seen notice writing, paragraph writing, and diary writing. Today, we are going to do another topic, that is essay writing. Now, can you tell me what is an essay? What is an essay? An essay is a short piece of writing that expresses information as well as the writer's opinion. So, it is written for a specific purpose like informing, persuading, entertaining, and convincing the readers. While writing an essay, we have to keep in mind the following points. First, we have to write a heading or a title. It should be attractive, eye-catching, and highlighting the theme. Second, we write introduction. It should attract the reader's attention. Third, there is the description of the topic. It will be written in paragraphs. The different paragraphs will express the various aspects of the topic like merits, demerits, causes, consequences, effects, etc. Fourth, there is the conclusion. You will conclude your essay with a hope, a warning, an appeal, or a call for action. Fifth, you have to take care of grammar mistakes and spelling mistakes. So, these are the points you have to keep in mind while writing an essay. Do you understand how to write an essay? Are you confident? Okay. Now, suppose you want to write an essay on the topic importance of games and sports. How will you write this essay? What are the points you would write? First of all, you will write the heading, that is importance of games and sports. After this, you will write the introduction. After the introduction, you will write your points one by one like sports and games provide physical and mental education. Good for health. Develop sportsmanship. Develop friendship. Inculcate discipline. Eradicate caste system, racialism, and communalism. All are players. There are no differences on the basis of caste, color, and religion. Good means of recreation. Develop leadership qualities. And at the end, you will write conclusion. With this, your essay on importance of games and sports is ready. If you write like this without grammar mistakes and spelling mistakes, you can score full marks in the exams. As part of your homework, you will write an essay on the topic importance of sports and games. You may use the given points or you may use your own points. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Here I am giving you some model essays. You will write them down in your homework copies and learn them for your exams.